Hi guys. Okay. All right, firstly, I'll start by saying welcome to this week's live session. And I just decided to spice things up a little bit. And so I'll be inviting one of my, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please just put it in the chat box that you can hear me. So I'll be sure that I'm not lagging, or just help me put it in the chat box. So I'll be sure everybody's hearing me. So I hope you guys can see my screen too, yeah? All right, perfect. All right, so I decided to spice things up a little bit. And I said, okay, for months now, I've just been the one on this live session, just calling out trades. And you guys have only been hearing me talk about having mentees and all. I decided to spice things up a little bit this week. So I'll be inviting one of my mentees to come and actually just analyze. I don't know what page she's going to analyze, but she should just analyze the market for us. And I'll just analyze also. So if you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, or you want us to analyze for you, feel free to put it in the chat box, right? Feel free to put the pair you want me to analyze for you in the chat box. So I'll be comment, sorry.
Good.
So okay. Just feel free to put it in the chat box. So I'm going to analyze it also. So let me send her the invites. So she's going to just come and we'll kick off. Please help me turn off your mic if your mic is on. So let me try and send her a link, an invite link, right? Okay. So let's see. Okay. So fine, don't worry, yeah. Okay. I'm seeing GU, I'm seeing EU. Don't worry. Okay, fine, that's fine. So probably I'll tell her to just handle it, and let's just see. Let's start the day already. Right? Let's just start our day already like this. Let's just start our day. So while we're waiting for her to join, let's okay. All right. I just want to make this thing simple, no stress. You guys already know my pattern. Forex market is already difficult, so we just look for the best way to simplify things for you guys. So let's see. Let me see. Is she here? Let us start sharing. All right. So let me see. I admitted her already. All right. Let's see. I admitted her already. Okay. Let me see. Why is she not sharing? She's not able to share. Let me see. So Precious, if you're on this live session, you can just share your screen. I've sent you an invite.
Okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah. All right, guys. So you'll be telling us the pair you trade, what pair you'll be analyzing for us today, and let's kick it off from there. So you guys can also put in your what's the name? The pair you want me to analyze for you also. So Precious, the floor is all yours. Scatter the ground.
Can you see my screen? You have
Not yet.
to stop sharing.
Okay, let me stop sharing. Okay. So okay. Take it off from there. Fine.
So I trade GU.
Okay.
And I'm long on GU.
All right. So
from my analysis, GU has been bullish throughout this week, this month.
Okay.
And this is a 15-minute time frame.
Are you a swing trader? Sorry to cut you short. Are you a swing trader or a day trader?
No, I'm a day trader.
All right, perfect. Okay, kick it off. We're here.
And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the pair has been bullish. So I'm just following the order flow.
All
My
right.
entry will be on the 15 minutes. As you can
Okay.
see, after this double break of structure here.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for the pullback to this area,
All right.
this other block area here on the 15 minutes. Then it's either I take a risk entry or another confirmation entry on the lower time frame, like the 3-minute time frame. Then I target this high here. This area here is another block on the daily time frame.
Okay.
So I'm targeting this area for my.
Oh, yeah. Go on. Well, I'm here. I'm listening. We're listening.
So on the 4-hour time frame, I have two zones on this daily zone.
Okay.
This is the whole area. This area here. Let me highlight it. Is the daily order block area. So I got a refined zone on the 4-hour.
Okay.
And this area has inducement. Sorry. This area has inducement. I think the market has just struck this inducement, and there is a fair value gap here, and this is the 4-hour order block.
Okay.
So I be targeting this 4-hour order block as my
Take profit.
take profit. Yeah,
Okay.
if I'm going to go long on GU. But if it doesn't work out that way, and eventually the market breaks this low on the 15 minutes, the market breaks this 15 minutes low,
Yeah.
because this is the 15-minute structure.
Yeah.
That means the 4-hour is having a pullback. So we're going to have a deeper pullback on the 4-hour if eventually the market breaks that 15 minutes structure low.
Yeah.
So we could have a deeper pullback to this area.
Okay.
I think 50% of this zone here, because this is the 4-hour low, and this
Okay.
will be the 4-hour high. If
All
you
right.
draw your Fibonacci, you will see this area in the middle is going to be the 50% discount.
Okay. Perfect. So how many pip stop loss would you be risk, or would you suggest we risk on this particular GU from this point? How many pip stop loss is this?
My max stop loss is 15 pips.
Perfect. Cool.
15.
All right.
That's my max. If I'm
Okay.
going lower, I will go lower than 15, but I don't go above 15 pips.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect.
So you can see the market is making the pullback. So I'm just waiting for this zone, either this one, because this zone is in the 50%.
Okay.
Either this zone or the extreme zone, because GU likes to come to extreme mostly.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. So let me. Are you done? Can I take over?
Yeah, I just stopped sharing my screen.
All right. So, I'm super excited. Firstly, I would say, right? I'm super excited. I mean, I see a lot of people just take my trades and also practice what I've been teaching them. It's so exciting. I won't lie. I must say, I'm very impressed by how with the progress you've made so far. Without wasting your time, let me just jump right in. So, as you guys already know, Echo is active. Yeah. So today, what pair do you guys want me to analyze? Firstly, before I jump into EU or any other pair. What pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? Just put it in the chat box right now. Put it in the chat box right now. As the fire is burning, let's just keep it rolling. So what pair? Okay, we just analyzed GU, right? Precious just analyzed GU. So we'll be looking, okay, I'm saying gold. Fine, perfect. But somebody said GU and EU. So let's jump right into it. As you guys already know, yeah, EU and GU move just same pattern, just that most times GU moves faster than EU, and most times EU moves faster than GU. Just like, let's just say they're both twins. Yeah. So in this case, my analysis is also similar to that of Precious, and you guys can see our chart almost look alike. I'm excited, right? So at this point, I said I'm expecting a retracement. Yes, I'm expecting a retracement to somewhat around this region, right? Before we start going long. On the private channel, I shared this bias, I guess, same way as I shared for gold. But right now, you guys already know I like to analyze my pairs from the higher time frame down to the 15 minutes time frame or wherever I deem fit to enter from. So same thing with, from this point, I was saying I want to go long on EURUSD. And same way we've been going long. I remember on GU, let me just quickly touch on that GU. Let me quickly touch on GU. So on GU, remember I said I was expecting a 15 minutes, a 500 pips move, right? I was expecting a 500 pips move. If you guys were, if those of you that were on that live session or those of you that are on the channel, you guys would attest to it that I said so. So right now, you guys can already see that from this point when I said that thing to this point, we're already having how many percent? That's about 572, meaning we're already at that point where I want to see a reversal, but then I'm still expecting a bullish move to a point where, if you guys look at it, you would see that, okay, on the higher time frame also, on the higher time frame, the market is just trying to, I just want to touch quickly on this GU. So we'll just jump right into it. I can continue with the EU I was trying to analyze. So you guys can see on the higher time frame, the market is already giving us another head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, head, neckline. Right shoulder is trying to form at this point. Then we're selling. Are you guys seeing where I'm saying, reason why I said I'm expecting a 500 pip move? This is not magic. It's not magic. It is just mastery and training your eyes to see things and just knowing your onion, as I said. So back to what I was saying on EU, right? So now on EU, I'm expecting a bullish leg, but I want to see a retracement to around this region. On the daily, let's start from the daily. Since we've seen where the market is going on the weekly, on the daily, what is it saying? Now, this is our daily low that has not been mitigated, has not been taken out, has not been swept out. And it created another daily low here, which we didn't take out. So I want to see a deeper retracement around this region, then we buy. Taking out this liquidity around this area, mitigating with this, there's a fair value gap around this area. So we have a deeper retracement into this area, then we buy, right? I'm going to send out probably the analysis and the parameters rather on the free channel, so everybody can just benefit from it and just, yeah, we move the market together. So back to somebody mentioned, what pair was that? What pair was that? Or let me just quickly just drop this analysis, the parameters here. Let me see if I can drop these parameters here itself. So at this point, if I'm expecting a deep retracement around here, we can obviously see that there's liquidity resting around this point. Now, how to spot out liquidity? This is part of the things I teach in my mentorship, right? How to spot out liquidity, where liquidity is resting, and that's where the edge strategy comes in. So if you're interested in if you're interested in the mentorship, feel free to send me a DM and let's get right into it. So at this point, I want to enter this market anywhere around here. You guys already know I don't risk. I don't like using big stop loss. 15 pips, 20 pips maximum, 10 pips, 2 pips, anything the market is, any risk, so long as just low risk to have high risk to reward. So if I'm entering the market around this point, I want to risk, let's say, 20 pips is not bad, but it's a little bit too big. So, but to be on the safe side, you can just risk 20 pips or take it 10 pips. Still not bad. Put it around here. You're risking 10 pips stop loss to target about 100 pips. That's about 1:10.40. It's not a bad thing to start your week with it. It's not a bad thing, right? So we'll jump right into, we'll go into gold. We'll go into gold. Feel free, for those of you still joining, feel free to still put the pair you want me to analyze. Today, I'm coming all out for you guys. You saw as I invited one of my mentees to come and analyze the market. I just want to see everybody just start having an impact and become profitable in this market. No pressure, no unnecessary competition, just love, and let's just make this market. This market is too big for us to start fighting over money that's not our own. So somebody's actually drawing on the screen. Let me take it off. Annotation, right? So let me take it off. Okay. So okay. So gold. Now on gold, I was expecting, okay, on the private channel, that's my private channel, I said I was expecting gold to get to this was around here, to get to somewhere around 1 ratio, and to get to somewhere around, let's say 235, that's somewhere around here. And currently we're around 218, right? Around 218. So at this point right now, with what gold has given us here, now gold, I expect gold to still go down. Yes, to go down for a bit. Now, this might not just play out today, right? I don't like trading on Mondays, quick one. I don't like trading on Mondays because it's just like going to fish in a muddy water. You won't have opportunity. You won't see the fishes clearly. You won't see where they're hiding. You won't see things clearly till the water is a little bit settled. So at this point, you might just see this thing. You might see the move the market is trying to make, but if you jump right into it, this is just my personal opinion and reason why I don't trade on Monday. Mondays are just not my days. Unless I see a very, what we call an A1 trade, then I can jump right into it. Yeah, because when the market is not settled, you start buying at this point, or because you've seen that the market is showing a bullish leg, you now start buying and boom, the market takes you out. You get, and you call it manipulation. Now this is just logic, right? So for gold, I'm expecting it to still drop for a bit. I'm seeing liquidity around all this area. There's another block here. There's another block here, right? There's another block here, which I want to see markets come back down into. You get, there's a lot of liquidity resting around this area, and I want to see the market retrace back down to this area. So for now, I'm still bullish on gold, but we're not entering this gold yet. If I see a need for us to enter it, I'm going to send it out to you guys, right? I'm going to send it out to you guys. I just don't want to, for the sake of people that probably didn't join this last session, I want to post this video on YouTube so it doesn't get boring and too long. So I'm trying to see what pair you guys. EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD. Okay. EURCAD, right? So EURCAD at this point, okay, I already mapped out this guy already. I sent it out today, yeah. So for now, I'm going to say I'm expecting short term I'm bullish, long term bearish. I want to see it retracing to this point before buying rather. Overall, if you go down to the weekly time frame, let's start afresh. I mapped out this guy, right? So we've seen that, okay, this guy has gotten to this point after creating all these moves, yeah? At this point, he gave us a break of structure here. Sorry, a change of character rather. Now, those of you that a lot of people just let's say interchange these guys together, change of character and break of structure. Now I have a video that talked about this change of character, the difference between a change of character and the break of structure. But it's on YouTube here on my channel. But you guys can also, just for the sake of those that just joined right now, example, this is a change of character and the break of structure. So now you see in the market, a break of structure is this one, breaking structure to continue. A change of character has changed the direction of the market. That's just the simple way I can just explain it to you guys right now. But for more emphasis and or clarifications, you can just check the video on my YouTube channel. So now I saw this guy, it has given us a change of character here. Went up, right? Came back down. Now, when the market came back down to this region, right? I said, okay, fine. This guy needs to go up one way or the other because it has consolidated here for so long. Now, there's a lot of liquidity around this area. And guess what? The market needs to take out these guys because people that have been selling, their stop loss needs to be taken out. Those are the swing traders, intraday, no, the position traders and all. Yeah, their stop losses will be around here. Most of them will put their break even and all. So the market needs to sweep out their liquidity. That's why we're seeing a bullish leg. Now, wherever there's liquidity, that's where the market tends to tap into first. Put this at the back of your mind always. Wherever there's liquidity, that's where the market tends to tap into first before any other move. So a market, you might just see a market overall is bearish, and all of a sudden you're seeing it buy for so long. That's because the liquidity resting around all this area is more than the liquidity below. You get. So wherever there's liquidity, that's where the market taps into first. So now, if we're seeing on the weekly time frame, we're bullish, right? We've seen this candlestick. Now, I don't want to go too in-depth into it, so this video doesn't. In fact, this video don't exceed the time I want it to. So we've seen that this candlestick, it has given us a reversal pattern which started going up, and now on the daily time frame, let's see things even more clear. All right, I've seen, okay, fine, this guy has been buying. Mind you, I always say the market doesn't go in one direction, right? So for the fact that the market doesn't go in one direction, we want to see a deeper retracement. Now the market has been buying. We've not really seen a very deep retracement. Now for those people that trade break and retest, we broke this daily supply zone. We've seen it that we broke it. Now at this point, we need to retest it, right? We need to retest it, then we need to retest. I'm coming, sorry. Please help me mute your mic if your mic is turned on. So we need to see a deeper retracement into this region, then we continue buying. So for now, we want to buy, but that is why I said we want to buy short term. I want to see this market price take out liquidity here and start selling, then continue buying. I don't know if you guys understood what I just said there, or should I rephrase what I said? Should I come again? Did you guys understand what I said there?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So now at this point, I want to, on the 4-hour time frame, right? Well, you guys are seeing how I'm jumping from the weekly down to the daily to the 4 hours right now. We're taking it step by step. This market is always here for us, so no need to rush. No need to rush. So at this point, I'm seeing someone say, no, you didn't understand. What part didn't you understand? Use the chat box, please. So I'll just quickly just clear the air and continue what I was saying. Just put it in the chat box what you don't understand. So I'll just touch on it ASAP. Okay, what I said about the daily bias. Okay, I didn't really say anything about the daily bias. I just said from the weekly, you guys saw how I started analyzing this pair from the weekly down to the daily and now the 4 hours. This is what I said. So I'm saying now I want to see us buy into this region, then sell off for a bit for the sake of those people that trade break and retest, right? Those that trade break and retest, you guys can see that, okay, this guy just bought, no major deep retracement, Nothing. The market has just been bullish, 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 bullish. So now at this point, I am expecting to start seeing proper movement around here to test this region again. That's what we call change of polarity. And I wouldn't be going into that one. I won't be going into it that much. Back to what I was saying. So now back to the 4 hours time frame, right? We've seen that, okay, price has been declining. You guys can see something like, okay, perfect, perfect. I'm cool. You got it now. Perfect, perfect. So you guys can see, we can spot out this guy here as another block, right? Yeah, we can spot it out as another block. But I tell you, this other block is not blocking. This other block cannot block anything at this point, in my opinion. In all honesty, this other block here cannot hold that much. If it will just hold just for a bit, short term, and boom. So if you're trying to start selling at this point, just, I hope you're a scalper or you don't tend to hold this trade for long, because this is what the market might just do at this point. Retrace, break it out, and come back down. Then you start crying that, okay, the market manipulated you. No, patience, patience. You don't rush things. Don't be pushed to always take every trade you see. Patience, just chill, patience. Now, this at this point also, you can see that, okay, fine, this guy, liquidity sweep, right? You can see that, okay, liquidity sweep at this point, right? There's a liquidity sweep at this point. That's why you're seeing this red line here. So we've swept out this liquidity. Now we want to take out the one above, because we're not the only set of people that saw this other block. Guess what? A lot of people will be putting their stop losses around here, and boom, market will just sweep them out. So I'm patiently chilling and waiting. When I see all this thing play out, take out this liquidity. When I see this liquidity around this area being taken out, sell off, then I want to look to buy properly. So let's go down to the 15 minutes. Let's not dwell too long on this guy. What is he saying? For my scalpers in the house, do I have scalpers in the house? So wait, are you guys following my analysis? If you're following my analysis, you guys already know what I like to see. Put OT law in the chat box there. Put OT law in the chat box. I want to be sure everybody's following me. Put OT law. I just want to just see OT law, OT law, OT law, because the next part I'm going to give to you guys right now is a little bit juicy. We're going to need, let's say, a love. Perfect, perfect. Okay, okay, perfect. Good, 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 good. So at this point, guys, for me, are we still typing our OT law? Okay, okay. Capital OT law. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah. I just like you guys' vibe to be up. Yeah, I want you guys' vibe to be up. For me, I just want to see this guy here actually being taken out, liquidity here. Now, those that trade chart pattern also, I want to touch on it also. We can see that price has given us something like what? 1, 2, 3, then OT law. This is why I said OT law. We're having something like a W pattern here. 1, right? Then that's what they call double bottom, right? But this is not a valid double bottom, because this double bottom, one leg is longer than the other one. So that's why I'm saying we buy into this point and sell. Till this liquidity around this area is taken out, me, I'm not interested in selling at all. Till the liquidity around this area is taken out, I'm not interested in selling. So you guys should exercise patience, right? Exercise patience, exercise patience. There's no rush in this market. If you rush in, you just need to be a scalper, else you rush out the same way. Or first boss to your village. First boss. So okay, I saw somebody put GJ, right? GBP JPY. GBP JPY. If there's an opportunity for us to take a trade, trust me, I'm going to call out a trade for us to take right now. There's an opportunity. There's an opportunity, we will take that trade. Yes, if there's an opportunity. So are you guys still seeing my screen? Hope you're seeing my screen.
Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay. Sorry, please. So for GJ, let's go down to the weekly as usual. I like to analyze from the higher time frame so we'll see things clear. This guy is still looking bullish to target this area, yes. But guess what? We will not just do it in one day. I want to see another retracement. What's the market saying? Simple thing. Low, lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So now we want to see higher low and what? OT low. Gaskia, I just want to see a deep retracement, then buy. So let's see if we'll take Euro USD trade. Let's see if we'll take Euro USD trade. Like I said, I will be looking to buy anywhere around here. Today is Monday. I don't like trading on Mondays, but I know a lot of people here. Market showed them pepper last week. So you guys should take this trade with, let's say, if you risk 1%, now I'd suggest, because for the fact today is Monday, we would want to take it with about, let's say, 0.5 instead of 1%. So those of you that also trade trend line, you see, as I'm touching on different strategies, this is what the edge strategy helps you do. You see everything. It's a combination of almost, see, you just see everything the way it is. You can use it to, you can generate your own strategy out of it. So trend line people, alpha, I'm very sure you guys are here. So let us see. I've shown you all the confluence that we need with that met with our trade or reason for taking the trade. Now we can see that, okay, fine. This is first touch, second touch. If price should come down to around this region, we'll be looking to buy now. It's even too early to start placing the pending order. This is why I won't say we should. I wanted us to take this trade, but it's too early. It's too early for us to take out this guy, to start taking this trade right now. It's actually very too early. Like, it's too early. It's actually very early. So but I'll be on a watch for any trade for us to take. So sad that we didn't see any. Let me see AUD USD. AUD USD, if there's a trade there. Still the same thing. The market is not settled. It's not settled, actually. The market is not settled. So for now, I won't suggest we take any trade. I'm not rushing the market. I'm not under any pressure. So for now, I guess we'll just need to end the live session, right? But I won't end this live session if I don't give my normal shout out to everybody that took it upon themselves to join this live session. So firstly, I'll start by saying very big thank you to Precious for coming on this live session to come and analyze GU for us. And I want to also give a big shout out to Favor Young, Sanko FX, Habib, Felix, Jude. Habibi, welcome to Onitsha. My Dubai people. Habibi, welcome to Surulere. Guys, man, you guys should not mind me. I'm just like this. Like, I just like the whole environment to be lively. So I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that joined this live session. It's always my pleasure to always come here live and see you guys and we analyze this market together. No stress, no pressure, just make profits and let's build a community of profitable traders. That's just my goal. So until then, as you already know, Echo is active. See you guys on Friday or anytime. But feel free, if you have a question to ask me, my DM is open to everybody. Send your questions, send your analysis, anything. If you're having mental breakdown, feel free. My DM is open. Come and talk to me. If your boyfriend, your girlfriend is disturbing you, my DM is open. I will advise you. Scatter that relationship. No peace for the weekend. That was a joke, actually, guys. So see you guys on Friday when we'll be having our Traders Digest. Until then, still remain your one and only Echo. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Peace out, guys.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right.